Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn off gesture navigation mode and how to set Redmi mobile 3 button navigation. Friends, you want to use Redmi mobile 3 button navigation, you want to show on your screen how to use 3 button navigation setting one by one, step by step friends. We will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So when we will turn on phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you don't want to set mobile gesture navigation mode setting. You want to remove your gesture setting, you want to use 3 button navigation. How to set and use. First of all we will turn on mobile setting. After turn mobile setting, first of all friends we will tap here home screen setting. After turn on home screen setting, you can use your home screen setting. Home screen layout, you can lock your home screen layout and you can unlock your home screen layout setting. Home screen layout column and row you want to change, so you can change. System navigation setting, if you tap here, so friends you can use the system navigation setting. 3 button navigation you want to use, so friends if you tap here, so friends you can use 3 button navigation in your Redmi mobile. So friends you can see 3 button navigation will show. You can use your back button, and friends right side left side if you swipe, so you cannot use gesture settings. You want to use your 3 button navigation, you can set here 3 button navigation. Friends you can see back button, home button, recent tab you want to check. Friends tap here menu button, you can check your recent tab and you can close your recent tab. Again on your phone setting, open your phone home screen setting, and if you tap here friends gesture setting, friends you can see 3 button navigation will remove on your screen. If you tap here and you don't know how to gesture setting, so you can take trial. None option we will tap here. Friends you can see how to go to home screen page. Swipe here, you can go to your home screen page. Friends you want to check your recent app, hold here, pause here, you can check your recent app. Friends you can see how to back left side and right side use back button. So like that friends you can use your gesture setting. 3 button navigation will remove on your screen, and you want to use 3 button navigation, you want to remove your gesture navigation settings, so friends tap here. After 4 and 5 seconds your button navigation will show. Right side left side you cannot use your gesture setting. Back button, home button and menu button you can use. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To even doubt you have any problem in mobile gesture and 3 button navigation, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.